When applying frictions on the arms, using both thumbs allows you to address a larger area. If you encounter certain tight spots, it's important to stay on that spot for a while. For better access to certain specific muscle areas, you can also switch to using just one thumb or employ multiple fingertips. This can be done to reach certain muscle areas more easily. You can experiment to discover what works best for you in each situation. When applying frictions on the lower arm, we find it more beneficial to sit down. This prevents hunching over, allowing for the maintenance of proper posture throughout the massage. Having a small cushion or towel nearby can be helpful to prevent discomfort when sitting on your knees for an extended period of time. Some people prefer having a special massage stool for this purpose. Everyone is different. Therefore, it's important you try and feel what works best for you.